Struggling to explain a process or spot a bottleneck? In under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to make a flowchart that creates instant clarity for your team or clients. Whether you're improving a workflow, onboarding someone new, or refining a sales funnel, flowcharts help you map those processes visually. Here's how to do it in 8 steps. Start by locking in your purpose. What's the process you're mapping and why? Define it before you add any shapes. Consider using a template. Slickplan has pre-built options to help you get started fast. No need to build from scratch. But if you want to create your flowchart manually, start by adding symbols and then labeling your steps. Use one shape per step and make sure every symbol is clearly named. If you're not sure what the symbols mean, we drop the guide in the description. Include loops where needed. Loops show when a step needs repeating, like retrying a payment. Add decision points and split paths. Decision points are generally binary yes or no questions, and split paths for the branching outcomes. Test and refine. Walk through the flow with your team. Leave feedback on what's missing, confusing, or broken in your process, and work together to fix it. Customize the look. Use color, spacing, and styles to make complex diagrams easier to understand. Export and share. Download your finished flowchart as a PNG, PDF, vector, or other format and share as needed. And that's it! A complete clear flowchart in 8 steps. Start yours today with Slickplan. Now that you know the basics of making a flowchart, check out this video to learn how user flows can help you improve UX design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tricks and tips. Thanks for watching.